Okay, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to walk you through how I do Black Girl Diaries. And I'm not going to walk you through the entire process. This is just um, up to the point where I've already generated the photo using my ideas that I put into ChatGPT. GPT will give me a prompt for the photo. I go into Whisk and I generate the photo. I animate the photo. I chop those up, put them together, put the entire video into CapCut. And then from there, I insert text that I get from ChatGPT, right? So I'm halfway through it. So this isn't going to be a very long tutorial, but I'm just going to run through it really quick. So let's see. Just really quick, I just wanted to let you guys know this is my own original generated music. This music is not AI generated whatsoever. This is a totally original work. So as you can see, I'm wrapped up in my own little universe is the last section because that's all ChatGPT felt like it wanted to give me. So now I have to go back into ChatGPT and tell it, hey, I need a little bit more of this extended. Okay, I think we're done. We're going to run through it. there's something about this I don't like. It looks like I repeated something maybe. So let's check it out. I'm wrapped in my own little universe. And we are finished. That's it. I will have a part two of how I create it from start to finish because I'm actually running out of videos. So I have to come up with all new ideas for the next set of videos that I'm going to publish. So I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I am working on some courses and possibly some ebooks. You can find me on Facebook at valentinaatech. Just make sure there are 2 A's at the end of Valentina, and that's how you find me. Or you can just Google me. I do have my own website. But thank you for watching.